Welcome back to Baking with Zach. We're making a 2-ingredient chocolate cake. You're gonna need eggs. Separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. You're gonna need some chocolate chips. Put it all together. You're gonna need to set aside the egg whites, the soft peaks, and we're gonna add egg yolks about one at a time to the chocolate. And make sure it gets well combined through each round you put them in. Make sure it's nice and creamy. And now we're gonna fold in the chocolate into the egg whites. Put it in with the soft peaks egg whites. We're gonna gently fold it in, don't over mix. And now you're gonna wanna put it in your 6-inch pan. It's gonna bake at 325 for about 30 minutes. We put the batter into the 6-inch cake pan and we're gonna put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. This is gonna be a delicious vegan and gluten-free cake. Only has 2 ingredients. Our cake just got out of the oven. Just let it cool for about 2 minutes and then add some powdered sugar on top. Just sprinkle a little bit to your desire. And voila! A vegan, gluten-free chocolate cake with only 2 ingredients. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.